Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up an FTP server on Windows 2012 server. If you haven't watched my previous video about how to stop an EES, you should watch it now, because we're going to use some things from it. Firstly, we have to click on Tools, and now EES IIS Manager. Click on this on our domain. Now sites, make it full screen. Sites, and now we have to create a new site. Right click, add FTP site. Let's make a site, FTP site name. I don't know, like MW physical path. Let's make it to www folder that we created in last video. Okay, next. IP address is going to be the same one that we have on our PC. Ports either 21 or 20. Just leave it on 21. No SSL protocol because we don't have any certificate. Click next. Let's click anonymous. Allow access to all users. Anonymous users, yeah. Permissions. Let's make read and write. That's all. We can just finish it now. We have a MW here, as you can see. And what we can do right now is turn on can turn on the CMD. And let's type in FTP and the IP address that we assign it to. Okay, user password. We don't have a password, just click enter. Please log in, and if we type in dir, we'll be able to see the files. These are the files that I have created in previous video. So for an FTP, that's all. If I help you, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any further questions, let me know in the comments.